Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will start by verifying UEFI and preparing the board. This is critical because Secure Boot only works with UEFI. Once done, boot into Gigabyte UEFI setup by pressing Delete at post or via Windows Advanced Restart. Make sure you know your current boot mode and temporarily set a supervisor password if options are locked. This unlocks Secure Boot controls. You're not changing OS files yet, you're just preparing firmware, so subsequent Secure Boot steps will apply cleanly and safely to Vanguard requirements. Now you'll change the firmware options that matter. First, set OS type to Windows UEFI mode and disable CSM. This forces pure UEFI. Next, locate Secure Boot and set it to enabled. When a prompt appears, install the default keys or enroll the platform key so the system trusts Windows bootloaders. Make sure solder remains in OSI if Windows uses it. Once keys are installed, save and exit. The board will reboot into UEFI mode Windows, which Vanguard requires for integrity checks. Finish by confirming the change in Windows. Run system information, emsinfo32, and verify Secure Boot state is on and BIOS mode is UEFI. Once confirmed, reinstall or repair Riot Vanguard and then Valorant. Run the installer as administrator so drivers load correctly. If things go wrong and Secure Boot stays grayed out, make sure you set a supervisor password, update the motherboard BIOS to the latest version, and, if necessary, clear CMOS or reset NVRAM to restore firmware defaults before repeating the key enrollment.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.